Hello, thank you for coming back to see me give you a preview of episode 5 of the Figure Side Hustles. Now, if you don't know what the Figure Side Hustles is, it's a docuseries. It's going to be live for you to watch in a few days' time, 23rd of May, 7 p.m. EST. That's in America. In Britain, it's midnight, but don't worry, it's on for 24 hours. You can watch it anytime during those 24 hours. So what is in episode 5? You've got side money secrets, you've got from 0 to 6 figures, and you've got 6-figure writer secrets. Before I get on with telling you who are the entrepreneurs that are going to be giving you a ton of information to help you get a side hustle on the go, at the end, do stay to the end because I'll be revealing a freebie, a little free gift for you that will let you start a side hustle right now. So hang tight for that. Do stay to the end. That'll be a big favor for me, and hopefully I'll be giving you quality content that you'll enjoy. First person, Jonathan Foltz, Side Money Secrets. All right, what does that include specifically? Why a high IQ is no longer the best way to succeed. And there's 2 more important ways to get ahead in today's AI-powered world. We love AI power, don't we? Obviously, if you're worried about it taking your job, that's not good. But if you're an entrepreneur or solopreneur or you're working in online business, then it's great for you. It's going to save you time, going to save you probably money as well. You don't have to pay out so much with other people. You know, you can just pay a robot to do a lot of your work. Sounds good to me. In fact, he goes on to say how AI could end 75% of jobs and why this tool will make those that know how to work AI rich. He'll also be telling you the first rule to understand if you want to become rich from your side hustle. Hint, it's not what you think. And one specific online side hustle that anyone can start today for about $200. That costs over $40,000 a few years ago. And 3 specific online businesses you can start today without any products, and 3 platforms where you can find buyers to get paid now. Then you've got Iman Aghay, and his is about going from 0 to 6 figures. But how? Well, he went from being 17 days away from being homeless, and this forced him into his first side hustle, which was a selling service he didn't know how to do. He'll tell you what he did to get his first sale and exactly how he scaled it beyond 6 figures in just a few months, and how anyone can follow this blueprint. He'll also be revealing a simple technique he used after he failed to sell one of his courses. You can use it to find your first client and start getting paid. And also the first question you should ask yourself the first day you start your side hustle, that instantly propels you past all other people that are starting a side hustle and those wannabes that never start, and get you in the game fast. And the third person, hold on, before we get to that, if you have found a bit of value here, tap on that like button, subscribe if you're not a subscriber and you want more of this wonderful content, and you can even tap on the bell button, and that will make sure you get notified every time I do a video. The next one will be in about 24 hours for preview to episode 6. Now, Laura Catella Georgi. She will be telling us about 6-figure writing secrets. The best way to become a high-paid writer. If you master this type of writing, you will never be short of money, whether you write for yourself or get paid to write for others. She's going to be revealing how a single online forum made her $600 overnight and kicked off a 6-figure side hustle that lasted 10 years. And she'll finally reveal how she leveraged her side hustle to get herself bigger deals and create a secondary stream of income, and how any service provider can follow this exact model. So that is it for today, but let me reveal that you have been waiting for, what freebie you are going to get. Of course, you get the free access to the 6-figure side hustles. Just tap on the link below. You'll also get access to a guide called 3 AI side hustles anyone can start. It means you can start it straight away and start bringing in the cash. So hopefully I will see you for tomorrow's video. I'm going to be giving you a preview of episode 6. Take care of yourself and I will see you then. Bye bye.